Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget review. If your Android TV is lagging and apps are loading slow or the home screen feels stuck, so don't worry. In today's video, I will show you simple and powerful tricks to speed up your Android TV instantly. So no apps, no loading, just pure setting tweaks that work on all Android TVs. So let's boost your TV speeds instantly. So first off, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so you never miss any updates. So first up guys, your Android TV's Mint offers seamless streaming, smooth app navigation and smart interface, but over time it can start to lag. Apps may take longer to load or you may experience input delays. If you are struggling with Android TV slow performance, so you are not alone. Much like smartphones, Android TVs can also get bogged down due to cache overload, unused apps, background processes or outdated firmware. So first we will see how to speed up your Android TV. So first, clear cache regularly. One of the most effective way to fix Android TV lag is by clearing the app cache. For that, go to settings and go to apps, then go to see all apps, tap on that. In all apps you can select an app, Netflix. Go down, you have to clear the cache, tap on that and tap on OK. So this will clear your cache. You can do for all your apps that you have used. Now you can see, so all the clear cache is cleared. Now you can do this for all your most used apps once every few weeks to maintain smooth performance. Now the second one is uninstall unused apps. So oftenly Android TVs often lag because too many apps stay open in the background. So for that you have to clear all your background apps. For uninstalling the app, just long press the app icon on the home screen. Here you can see I'm uninstalling this Sony Live app. Here you can see I have pressed continuous long, so I have pressed long, and here you can see uninstall. Just tap on that, it will uninstall. Yeah. So guys, this will free up your space and resources, helps your TV respond faster and makes the space for updates and better recommendations for the best applications. So guys, thirdly, use Ethernet or improve Wi-Fi connection. So guys, lagging or buffering during streaming may not always be due to your TV. A weak Wi-Fi signal can affect how faster your apps load and how well your content plays. So if possible, you can switch to Ethernet cable for direct connection to your smart TV, or alternatively move your router closer to your TV guys. So it may directly improve Android TV performance during streaming or software updates. So guys, for the fourth tip, it's very most important, that is updating your Android TV firmware. Yes, firmware updates bring critical performance improvements, bug fixes and security patches. So not updating your Android TV can result in compatibility issues and lag. So you can check for updates. For that you have to go to settings again, go to device preferences, now tap on about, now see system updates. Tap on that. This will checking for updates. Yes, here you can see your system is up to date. Most of the Android TVs have to update Android TV firmware. So in my TV there is no update, so I have already up to date. So what is the main thing about this? The fresh firmware can drastically speed up your Android TV and ensure all apps and functionality at their best. You can see my system is up to date, so there is no updates are available in my TV. So my smart TV is now the second step is again head to the settings, tap on device preferences, and you can search for developer option. Here you can see the developer option, tap on that. Now you have to reduce the scale for Windows animation scale. Here you can see Windows animation, transition animation and animator duration scale. Now tap on Windows animation scale, tap on that. Now make them duration 0.5 or you can just off. Yes. Now again go to transition animation scale, tap on that. Scale is 0.5x and you can just turn off your animation, but I will keep on 0.5. Now tap on animator duration scale, again tap on animation scale 0.5x, and that's it. Now guys, this doesn't just speed things up visually, but it reduces the strain on your system graphics as well. So this is very most important settings in. So guys, that's it. After doing all these settings, now you have to just restart your smart TV. Just tap on power button and it will restart. You are done now guys. Now you can see guys how my smart TV is speeding up. Look how fast it is responding. Yes, very amazing. That's it. So that's it, guys. This simple tricks can dramatically speed up your Android TV and remove lag completely. If this video helped, guys, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Technowaves for more helpful tech videos, and comment below if you want a video on how to fix Wi-Fi issues on Android TV, or how you install apps and boost storage. So, and anything you are facing any issues on your smart TVs. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until watch Technowaves videos.